Hey there! Welcome to another art tutorial from Nidhi Prakash Arts. In this video, we'll see how to draw a wooden texture while drawing a tree trunk. In this composition, I already drew my bokeh background and now we shall draw a tree trunk. I first used 2H pencil to fill the base of the trunk and then made it smooth with a stump. Point to note while drawing a wooden texture is that it should have a lot of woody grains, and especially while drawing a tree trunk, the texture should be rough. So all lines should be in vertical direction. Then I used B pencil for the next layer. This time I didn't fill the whole trunk, rather I tried to get some grains. I then decided where I want a round tree knot and again made it smooth lightly with a stump. I put next layer with 2B and that's how I always slowly increase the value. This time you can see very clearly that I am drawing jagged lines so that I can achieve a rough texture. After every layer, very light blending is required so that these grains become the part of the trunk rather than just sitting on the top. So now the next higher value is 4B. Same jagged lines and this time I am detailing the tree knot too. Showing some cracks and rounds in tree knots gives it a realistic look, isn't it? Lastly, I am using 8B for some dark shadow values. And I am also giving darker values in both edges of the trunk to give it a 3D look. If we keep the same value in whole trunk, then it won't look like a 3D shape. Therefore, we need to give darker values in the edges. I am using kneaded eraser for taking off some graphite in the center part of the trunk so that it appears to come a little forward and become a little brighter. For this, I kneaded the eraser and made a fine tip so that I don't erase the wood grain but clean the in-between area carefully. Whenever we are working in any graphite project, we should always take care of the values. It's really important to take care of the pencils and the values. Hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial and that you learned something new today. Subscribe to my channel to be notified of upcoming videos and to stay connected with the existing ones. See you in the next video. Bye for now.